What is up you guys, it's Fabian from the Jansen Journal and I just came back from Prague. So just a real quick video for you guys. This is at the Egel ven. It is a hedgehog van and this van is in Valkenswaard, the Netherlands, and I flew here a few months ago and I thought I would still share this with you guys. So next week will be the holiday videos, and with that said, enjoy the video. Thanks so much for watching the video. If you want to follow me around the world, please make sure you subscribe and also give it a thumbs up because it motivates me to make more videos.